Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to backup your WordPress database. So search this plugin database backup for WordPress. Search this plugin. This is a very famous and popular plugin you can use freely and you can backup your WordPress database. Database backup for WordPress is your one-stop database backup solution for WordPress. So just guys, you have to install and activate. If you are facing any problem or error to use this plugin, so comment, I will resolve that problem. So this is a very famous, we can see here about 1 lakh plus active installation and a good ranking review. So thanks for watching and continue to watch my WordPress learning series. In this series I discussed some videos and some useful information. So please check out my WordPress learning playlist.